Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Life Tech YouTube channel. This channel uploads video regarding stock market, trading ideas, mutual funds investment and some tech related videos. Please do subscribe this channel for getting regular updates. So today's video is about a review and a tutorial of TradingView website. As almost all of you have heard of TradingView. TradingView is an international website where we can access all the country stocks in America, India, China, almost all the world. It is an international website which almost all the traders use for chart analysis and getting data. So for opening TradingView website, we have to go to the Google and type TradingView. Just type TradingView. The website is seen here. By clicking this website, that website is opened. So this is the home page of the TradingView website, where at the top of the bottom we can see all the indices of Indian stock market. So you can see the Nifty indices, Sensex, Currency, Nifty Bank, Reliance and all other indices. So this is the home page of TradingView website. In the home page itself, there is a section called as Ideas. So what do you mean by ideas? These are stock ideas which are posted by different traders according to their strategies and opinions. They post the stock. Here you can see a trader has posted a stock details of Indigo. He has assumed according to himself that when this level breaks, it will go up and down. He had told the details of the strategies also here to get the ideas to others, to share his ideas to others. Here, by clicking the play button, we can see how the stock has gone. For knowing the details, we have to log into this stock the TradingView to get that details. So coming to the home page, we can see different traders have post different stocks. They have post different stocks in this bank, ICICI Bank, etc. Here there is a forex ideas also. I told you that it is a international website, so almost all the stocks are here. We can see it, and on the side we can see the stocks details as like NSE. In NSE we have discussed that. On the side we can see the most active stocks which can be used for intraday tradings, top gainers and top loser stocks. Okay, coming to the top of the page, we can see a small news of COVID-19 status, where we can see the world has reached a very high COVID-19 and how day by day it is increasing. All details is mentioned here, and on the top of it there's a market summary. In the market summary we can see how the stock market performed during during the world, how in international market the stock market were performing. So we can see that on UK all the Nifty all was positive, so our also got positive. It's all some techniques ideas. I will upload this in next. I will detail it in next video. Okay, so coming to the home page, we can see the market section, where we can have different sections of cryptocurrencies, currency, stock, indices, future, bonds, etc. And here we can see the script. In the script we can see the different strategies, that is indicators, that is trend analysis, volume, moving average, all we can see. By clicking this moving average and all, there is different indicators. So by clicking this EMA, we can study the indicator and strategies. So how by putting EMA in our chart, we can trade. What is the use of it? All strategies and details are shown here in the script section. All the details, trend analysis, volatility, volume, all the details are shown here. And here in the section we can see screener. There is a stock screener. We can click stock screener. In the stock screener we can see almost all the stocks in Nifty 50. So here it is under the section of most capitalized stock. We can change it to our opinions of all-time high, top losers, top gainers, volume leaders, etc. as according to our sections, and we can take stocks accordingly. So here we can see the different stock, its name, its last traded price, the percentage changed, and the point changed by them, and the ratings they have given by TradingView. So TradingView gives some rating for stocks to buy, sell, strong buy, and strong sell. And here the volume of the stock is listed here, and the market capital of the stock is here, and the PE ratio, EPS, and employee, and sector. Sector means under which sector this all stocks comes under. All sectors is also mentioned here. So according to our method of needed, we can filter it accordingly. By clicking this filter button, we can filter the stocks according to our findings. Okay, so I hope almost all of you have got an idea of screener. Now coming to the chart section, by clicking the chart section, our chart will be opened. I had told you in the review of NSE website that it is not comfortable in analyzing charts, and I recommended in that video to use TradingView for chart analysis. That's why I doing this video, so it will be very useful. Before that, if any one of you is interested in taking a Demat account, I will be providing my Angel Broking and Upstocks link platform in my description. So by clicking the link that I have provided, you will be able to get my premium calls. You will be directed to my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp broadcast, where you will be able to get premium calls. The premium call consists of 2 intraday calls, daily 2 intraday equity calls, and daily 2 intraday option calls, and some 2-3 positional calls according to the market. So it will be very useful, especially for beginners. You can learn, study, and trade and make profit. So now coming to the video, we will be able to see the Hindustan Bank chart here. In this chart, it is a candlestick chart. According to my OP recommendation, the best pattern is the candlestick chart rather than line chart. Some of you while opening the TradingView website will face a problem, because the TradingView website will be loading like this in line chart. By clicking the option here on the top, you will be able to change it into candlesticks. So the candlesticks are very easy to read and to trade analysis. And coming to this section, by clicking here, we will be able to type our stocks. For example, HDFC Bank, all we can see here. So let me click HDFC Bank. By clicking HDFC Bank, the chart of the HDFC Bank will be loaded. Here I had taken 5 minutes candlestick chart. you can change into different time intervals. This chart provides different time intervals rather than your broker. Some of you are using Upstocks or Angel Broking, Alice Blue. It's very different because it has this trading view provides different time intervals, 3 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours. All are very easy because it is very useful also for technical analysis on. So we can change into 5 minutes candlestick chart. Here the candlestick chart is loaded, and some people may face a problem that the when opening the chart it will be like this, all facing some problem. So you will think why this chart is like this, how we can analyze it and all. So by clicking the arrows here in the value side, we will click the arrows and adjust the chart according to our opinions. Look, it's very easy. Most of the people have faced this problem when using the site for first time. Even I also had faced it. So this is very simple. Only we have to do like this, and the price and the movement is very accurate rather than your broker's chart. Okay, coming to the other sections, here you can compare or add symbols, where you can add some symbols and compare them accordingly. And here we will be able to add indicators and strategies. There are different built-in strategies and indicator posted by different traders. We can all use it. Almost the in broking, the website for given by brokers, there are some indicators only, no strategies. So more than that indicators, there are more indicators, double indicators, and some strategies also posted by different traders. And here we can see the candlestick patterns, where by clicking this we can get the candlesticks patterns here. For example, by clicking this dragonfly, it will be loaded in the website. Evening star, engulfing bullish, all will be loaded in the website, and here we can see it in the website that according to our markings, that this all candles were this types and all. Many of people have don't know about the candlestick types and all. I'll be doing a video regarding the candlestick chart, and I told you about my Telegram channel and how you can join it. By joining the channel, you will be given a PDF file where you will learn almost all the strategies, candlestick patterns, and basic techniques of trading. We will teach you a very good trading techniques and strategies, where you will be able to become a very good trader. So coming to the chart, here we can see a clock button where we can place an alert. Alert means, suppose if we want to take a call, say the HDFC was falling, so if we want to take a call at 1066, so we are giving an alert at 1066.55, that at that time in our desktop the alert will be more will be shown that the stock is going to be 1066 and all. So it will be very useful who are keeping it aside and looking for trading. And coming to the sidewise buttons, there are different sections where we can see the adjust the arrows, erasers, and here we can see the trend lines, different types of lines: horizontal line, trend line, horizontal line, vertical lines, cross line. These all lines were used for finding chart patterns and all. So it will be very useful. And here we can see other section where the geometrical things are here, the rectangle, triangle, all these rectangle patterns and triangle patterns you will be able for marking the chart analysis. And here we can use the measurement tools where all the data of the tools is here, and here there's a ruler to measure the percentage and other all things, and here is a zoom button where we can zoom the stocks according to the according to our preference and all. And here is a drawing mode, and here is a lock button. So this much features are here in the trading view. There's also another feature also, this feature. This is the things which are good for Fibonacci retracement, and it's all some price actions, trading strategy indicators and all. So here we can see the different patterns here, where we can see and type and draw the patterns accordingly, head and shoulder, 3-track patterns, etc. So we will all discuss about these patterns and how to draw and how to trade according it all in the next video, on the coming videos. So this is the chart in trading view. So unlike Upstocks and other broking firms, these charts are very good for analysis. And coming to the downward portion, we can see the stock screener. We have seen in the home page that same thing in short. We can see here in the stock screener. Here we can adjust according to our this thing, and here we can see the text note. Here we can type anything related to our opinions of the stock, which can be useful for the next day to type the values accordingly. And here we can see the Pine editor, the this code details. It is the Pine editor. And here we can see the strategy tester. That is, suppose if we take a indicator, suppose if I take a indicator, built-in indicator, I will take moving average. Okay, I will take a moving average. It will be posted here, and some strategies also here, moving average, cross. Okay, if I take this moving average cross, a table will be formed like this, where you will see something like arrows and all, and here you will be able to see the net profit. Net profit means how the strategy were working during this trading hours. It's all it itself backtest the strategy and gives the result of this. And here we can see that it is this much percentage is drove down, and the percentage of the strategy is 30.35%. It means that the strategy is providing only 30.35% accuracy. According to our sections, we can build our own strategies and test its accuracy in trading also. And here is a trading panel. Here we can paper trade. So most of the people have heard of paper trading. Paper trading is without trading in our broker, we can trade by using the demo account in like paper account, where we can ourselves trade and practice. These two are brokers of US companies where we are not able to access it. So this much features are in trading view. In the next coming videos, we will discuss about the strategies, indicators, and other reviews of the website and all. Okay friends, we are ending this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it, and it has been useful to the beginners who are watching this video. Please do subscribe this channel for getting regular updates. I wish you all the best. Happy trading.